Alright, so here's our system right here. We have two bungee cords connected to each other. Alright, so without any weight at the end, they're approximately 76 inches long. And here I have a 2.5 pound mass. We're going to sit on this and record the first order system that it produces. So, let's see what happens.
And go.
Alright, so I was in charge of getting a graph in MATLAB and making a curve that we could fit this this graph to. And how we did it is I took the video, and if I press play here, you notice this number here on the right, that is the frames, the frame count. So, and then that is the seconds. So this is 6 seconds and 5 frames, and this is a 30 frame per second video. So I just took 5 divided by 30, and I would get an actual decimal place time there, if that makes sense. How we did it was to get a graph that would look proper. We took basically, I would go frame by frame and get to where the weight would stop before it shoots back up, and we were taking the our initial point was, I think, around 84, and we lined that up with the clip here, the hook. So we took it from here and look up, and I would take that position, that distance it fell, and then I would take the time. So I did this at every place that it had a change in sign of velocity, or I guess the velocity is 0 actually. So it would go down, hit this point, come back up, and then want to go back down again. So I took all these values of time and position and I put them in Excel. So why I have these negative values here, this is the position downwards. So from our initial starting position was like 84, so if it hit 100 and something, I would take 84 and subtract 100, or whatever the position was. And this is roughly what our pendulum looks like over time, its position. So you can imagine the velocity, if the slope is correct, the velocity would be kind of gradual at the stop, then really dropping down, kind of coming back up in a wave form. With this would be much more curved, but this is roughly what its position looks like over time. We took it for 7 seconds, and we didn't have anything until about 2 seconds here. Try to put this into the RK4 into MATLAB, and that did not. It wasn't giving us a good graph back that I should have. Nothing that I could include in the video. Maybe this is something we could come to your office later this week and possibly see how this bungee example would be worked in MATLAB. But thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.